Happy Vlogmas Day 12, coming to you from the Disney Destiny. In the atrium stands the statue of the Black Panther, King T'Challa. And several times throughout the day, we can hear the sounds of Wakanda. I'm having a sneak peek of Pandora through the window before the shops open up. Shops don't open up till we go out to sea. So I get to look at them through the glass doors. Once I get into the shops, I'll get a better look. Sorry about the loud sounds. Some stills or pictures that I get to take. But they had some really great designs.
You guys saw it. We have, this one and that other one there. I'm not charging it. In the pricing for like, the one is 55, one is 75. And then charms typically, that's the one that's kind of all over the place. So it starts as low as 35 and the regular is like 85. Steamboat Willie is 85.
Oh, gracias.
So I'm in the concierge lounge on the Disney Destiny. We are at sea. And I thought I'd work on putting charms that I bought last night on my bracelet. So let's go ahead and open them up. I went ahead and purchased 2 of the Muranos. That's a Disney Cruise Line. And the Disney Destiny button charm with Spider-Man on the back. I didn't buy the inaugural set because then I would have to have purchased a whole new bracelet and start a whole new series. This is my bracelet right now. Let me get the charms out of the box and place them where I think I want to put them before I disassemble any of the charms. I'm not so sure about that. I like that look better. So I'm going to repeat that on the opposite side. Alrighty. I now have all the charms right where I want them. New charm, Destiny. New Murano. And the other new Murano. Thank you for joining me aboard the Disney Destiny. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Till next time, thank you for joining me on my journey. Even though I'm posting the beautiful fireworks at the end, Pirate Night was our first night, and we got to see the fireworks from our